Hello everyone, and in this video we're going to explore exactly how you should be using colons and semicolons in your writing in order to achieve the highest possible mark. Now, using a colon, let's make sure we get the rules right here. So it's used instead of a semicolon between independent and main clauses when the second sentence explains, paraphrases, or expands the first sentence. So, for example, there are a number of ways to revise. So the colon here is indicating that we're going to be adding additional information to this independent clause. So read, take notes, etc., etc. Do bear in mind, you do not capitalize the first word after the colon unless the word's a proper noun or when a quotation is being used. So after colon, do not use a proper noun, please. So what about then the semicolon? Well, again, it's not as complex as you would think. So it's used to link independent or main clauses which are closely linked together in thought. So some people like cheese, others despise it. So the others despise it is clearly linking the idea of the cheese here in this example. So note that a semicolon can usually replace conjunctions such as although, therefore, and however, and they're known as coordinating conjunctions. So take any of those sentences, and if you can use the word although, therefore, however, change that for a semicolon, you now have a far more complex sentence in terms of your use of punctuation. So two important pieces of work. You're far more likely to use the semicolon in your writing more often, and get using that for me, please. But the use of the colon is also really important. Thank you.